Hi, Mr. Rootsart here, and welcome back. We're going to work through an acceleration problem together. This is a very basic acceleration problem. Simple enough. I'm going to do a couple of other ones in upcoming videos, so check those ones out as well. All right, so let's just jump right into it. So the problem that we have here is a boy traveling on his bike at a velocity of 4 meters per second, needs to speed up so he can get to school on time. He increases his speed to 5.3 meters per second in 3 seconds, and I want you to calculate the boy's acceleration. This is relatively simple, but again, the way that I like you guys to start all your problems is to write down everything that we are given in a problem. So, and write it down with the variables. So the very first thing we have is we know in our question that we have an initial velocity of 4.0 meters per second, and then we have a final velocity of 5.3 meters per second, and we have a change in time delta t, okay, and that change in time is 3.00 seconds, and I'm asking you to solve and tell me what the acceleration is. Okay, and that's the one thing that we don't know. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go to my data booklet and find this equation. That acceleration is equal to my final velocity minus my initial velocity over my change in time. Now, in this equation, we don't have to do any manipulation. We know that we're solving for acceleration. So let's just plug in our numbers. And again, I want to make sure that we put in all of my numbers that are given to me with units. So my final velocity, is 5.30 meters per second minus my initial velocity, which is 4.00 meters per second. So that represents my change in velocity, and over my change in time, which is 3.00 seconds. So I have that gives me 1.30 meters per second over 3.00 seconds, and that gives me 0.43 meters per second. Actually, it should be 0.33 meters per second squared. Okay, and that's my acceleration. Now, why is it 0.433? Because I have to pay attention to my significant digits. I had 3 significant digits given in my question. There needs to be 3 significant digits in my answer. So again, 0.433 meters per second squared is the acceleration of the boy as he increases the velocity of his bike. So again, write down what you're given, find the formula, manipulate it if you need to, do the work with the units, and then provide the final answer. And we will see you in class. Science.